In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your Exness trading account to MetaTrader 4. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, hover on the Trading tab, click the drop-down menu, and then click the My Account. Now, you need to choose the Exness account that you wanted to connect to MT4. You can choose from a real account or a demo account. In this case, I'm choosing the real account and I wanted to connect this specific account right here. And then if you wanted, click the three dots icon and then click the account information. Now we need to get the server and the login details so that we're going to be able to connect our Exness to MT4. Now, in your computer, now you want to make sure that the MT4 app is installed in your computer. All I have to do is download for free. You can choose your operating systems and follow the installation guide. Now, all I have to do is click the Finish button and then log in using your credentials. Once you have created an account here in MetaTrader 4, click the File button and then click the Login to Trade account. You will need to log in using the details in your Exness account, which is going to be this one. So you need to copy the server, paste it here, and then for the login, you need to copy the login details. And there you have it. Now you have successfully connected your Exness account to MetaTrader 4, or also known as MT4. If you are new to Forex trading or having trouble logging in, this is going to be your beginner's guide to set up everything correctly in just a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.